Today we will be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy.
Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 361 different strategies, with 116 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 257 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,034 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says, the best buy sell indicator Tradingview 2025 that work perfectly. So a little bit of grammar issue there, and beyond that, you can tell they're kind of keyword stuffing in the title there. Didn't really need to word it that way. They could have worded it a little bit better to at least make a full sentence out of it, or a full kind of statement, if you will. But nonetheless, we're going to put it to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the twin range filter. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and you'll jump into the settings of this one. And what you'll do is go to the inputs, and under the inputs, the fast period right here, change to 36. The fast range, you'll change to 2. The slow period, you'll change to 66. The slow range, you'll change to 7. And click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Elliott Wave Oscillator. And it's going to be this first one right here. Again, go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And once again, jump into the settings. And under the SMA1 length, you'll change that to 3. The SMA2 length, you'll change that to 26. Then jump into the Style tab. And right here, you'll click this and change it from a histogram to columns right there, and click OK. And what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for the short tag or label from the twin range filter indicator like this right here. At the same time, we want it to have a nice red bar like this here. And then we're going to look down to the Elliott Wave Oscillator, and we want it to have a red bar like this. And when all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above this little pivot that it creates right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is the green long tag or label from the twin range filter like this here. And then when we get that tag or that label, we're going to look to price action. We want to have a nice green bar. And then lastly, we're going to look down to the Elliott Wave Oscillator, and we want it to have a green bar as well. So when all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. Again, we'll put our stop just right below this little pivot that price action creates right there. And we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again.
Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail.
Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 34% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for an overall loss of $3,000 altogether. So definitely not a great indicator, definitely not a great strategy for any year, especially 2025. Really didn't work perfectly, that's for sure. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 39 trades altogether. We had 32 winning trades and 7 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $10,800. So definitely better results. Now I'm working on putting the final touches on a position management strategy that will increase the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator quite significantly to the high 90%. So realistically, the testing on this would have been right around $18,000 total profit on this testing. So really better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we've been working on a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades on screen now using that strategy, also using the position management strategy as well, kind of loosely using it, but some really good results. If you're interested in viewing this strategy here, you can click the link up in the corner. Now it'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Just click on that. It'll take you down to 2 thumbnails. Click the one that says new crypto scalping strategy, and the position management strategy here in the near future, I'll be releasing that to the patrons, giving more detail once I iron out just a couple more aspects of it. And so, all right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next indicator from here.